Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Powered by LEVI'S.
There comes a time in every person's life when they question their own existence, the how and whys, the where and when, and how it all begins and ends. One thing for sure though, we all live to die. That's why I ask why. Blasphemy.
If I die, if I live, do you think the Lord will forgive for all that I did?
Blasphemy.
If I die, if I live, do you think the Lord will forgive for all that I did?
Blasphemy.
If I die, if I live, do you think the Lord will forgive for all that I did?
Blasphemy.
If I die, if I live, do you think the Lord will forgive for all that I did? If I die.
It's recording, sir.
4, 3, 2, 1, and we are back on this beautiful episode. What episode we on? 15. 15. We're doing it, ladies and gentlemen. We moving. And I have no words for this next guest.
I do plenty words, but go ahead.
Man, it's been about a good 25 years since I've known this man.
True.
And he came down from Philly. Shout out to Saida Gale, by the way. She really made all this happen.
Yeah.
Originally, she's like, yo man, I got my boy here, my brother's here, he's from Philly, you need to come down and get some cuts. This is back when people had hair. I'm talking about, man. And he came over, he shaped us all up, me, McKee's, Poon,
Yeah.
I-20 was over there. Everybody was over there, man. He
That
came
whole
through.
Northside crew.
And he didn't ask for no money that day. He just cut us all up and man, we was like infants. We was smitten. And not only was he our barber for life, he was our brother and still to this day our friend. And he put us on to the crypto, didn't he? He was the first one who ever said Bitcoin. I don't know what he was talking about. I still don't, but
And a lot of novelty items, old school cars, Italian cars. That American
yeah, lowrider bikes.
Yeah, lowrider bikes.
And old school trucks. What was the Chevys? And man, come on, man.
But he was into the interior and the engine.
Don't forget about that.
Yeah, he was all into the engine, the interior, the knobs, the radio, little gadget, and we were just like,
Yeah, man.
what's up with 808 in the bass? Cause we from the south, so we like, we all about
Hey, plus
the bomb.
before he got the shop, he was over at Mass Appeal cutting in that shop.
Yeah.
And then he was over at the other shop next to Mass Appeal. And I remember he hooked me up with all the people at Mass Appeal. We did all their business cards, we did their t-shirts. I'm talking about this is how we ate, this is how we survived, this is how we paid our rent. And really, I can't thank this man no more than that. He don't even understand how much, love he done gave us. Drake, shout out to Drake. He rode up to New York a few times, got the car towed, supposed to go up there and get some bootleg baseball jerseys and a bunch of purses and Louis belts and bring them back. Man, I got stories for days with this man, but what I really, really want people to know is that he's really a great producer. You might know him for cutting hair, for opening up barbershops, for being an entrepreneur, for giving other barbers their start. But what people don't know is that he opened up the barbershop to us. I had a key before it was even a chair in here. He had a little booth set up and we used to come in here and make beats and just, really get down, man. It was
a place where you can come vibe, you can try to study, do a couple mail off letters, business, trading ideas, trading concepts.
a think tank.
Yeah, it's like think tank. Before think tank was. But the most part that he really did was he gave us a lot of wisdom and knowledge of what's going on in Philly, because I'm from the South.
Right.
He's from LA, West Coast.
Right.
So we didn't really know that Philly lingo with Italian ices.
John.
The Philly steak, stuff like that.
Yeah, the Italian ice is actually my favorite treat. I lived in Philly for 2 years now, and I can tell you that the water ice is everything in the summer. I was eating like 2-3 of them a day.
Yeah, certain type of bread with the peppers and.
You want Geno's?
Yeah. I'm from the South, so we big on chicken wings and hamburgers and hot dogs and ribs and chicken and pork belly.
I guess introduce him?
Yeah.
You want to introduce him?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Jimmie.
Jordan. Stone, where you at, baby?
Where you at, Stone?
Here I am, y'all. What's going on, everybody? These are my brothers here. I love these guys. I love them to death, man. 25 years and counting, man. Solid brothers, man. I appreciate being honored with this. It's actually very special to me, man, and really appreciate you brothers showing the love and coming through. I don't get many visitors these days, man.
There you go. On this episode of Dropping Off Jackets, we first like to introduce the guest, let them tell them a little bit about themselves. If you want to give us IGs, you want to give us TikToks, if you want to give you anything he want to give you, and if he don't want to give you nothing, he ain't gonna give you nothing. But we're gonna give him like 2-3 minutes to do his thing. Tell him about who he is to you. Go ahead, Jimmie. Tell him, man. Who are you? Where'd you come from? How you get here?
I'm Stoney. I'm here. Some people say I'm the boss of Edgewood, but hey, I'm not. I'll go with it. But I've been in the industry for 30+ years. I love what I do. I love being able to make people feel good about themselves and change their appearance. It's just something that I always love to do. So that's why I'm saying this right here is a big honor for you guys to come through and bless me with this honor. So, what else something you might not know about Stoney? I've been here for 20 years at this particular location. And even though they shouted me out at Philly, I'm a country boy. I grew up in Plant City, Florida, but then later migrated to PA. And that's where I've been before I came down here. And back to my southern roots, and it is what it is. I'm a collector. I collect anything when it comes to barbering, anything with cars, things of that nature. Just an old head who loves old things, man.
All right. Well, how do people find you, man? You on IG? You on Facebook?
Yes,
you on TikTok?
sir. I'm on IG. I'm Stoney the Barber on IG, and I'm Stoney's Barbershop on IG. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, I'm Jimmie Bitcoin. So if you want to know anything about Bitcoin or anything cryptocurrency related, holla at me. I'm the guy for you and whatnot. Even if you're not really particularly into buying, you just want questions answered, I'm your guy. I'll be more than happy to lead you in the right direction when it comes to that topic.
Perfect. All right, Will.
With no further ado.
The name of this show is called
Dropping Off Jackets.
Now that is Will.
I've been waiting for this, man. I've been
That
waiting.
is Will.
And that's my homeboy Kahlil.
And we are here to drop off another fine jacket on another fine human being.
Jimmie, no further. Here you go.
Oh man, this is
Here you go.
Hey man,
Here you go.
This is what's up, y'all. You see the sincerity in my face?
Jimmie,
This is what's up, man.
open it up, Jimmie. Try it
I'm
on.
gonna try it on.
Try to
for sure.
slip on.
Try it on. for sure.
That's nice.
Come on in here, brother. We dropping off jackets.
Did y'all bring me one?
See, we didn't know you was gonna be here. Hurry up, Jimmie.
Got it, man.
Jimmie,
Got it.
Lee, I got them thick buttons.
Oh man,
And it fits.
they're gonna be mad about this.
It always fits, baby. It's a perfect fit when it's Levi's.
Oh yeah, they're gonna be mad about this, man. And of course we got the old six in this joint right here, man.
Hey,
This
just
label
man,
here, it's been around for a while, man. I still got stuff with that 06 print on it.
he was there when we first did it. When we was that's why we here, baby. Jimmie,
Stick and pose.
hey, we put his government on there. Let me tell you something,
my
boy.
man. Hey,
I'm trying to tell you, baby.
But then we got the collar too.
Oh man, that is what's up.
No,
No,
I'm
he's
trying
so
to tell you.
cream and butter. We got the collar collar.
Oh, let me get up on.
Yeah, you gotta you working now, baby. She directed. Hey, she directed.
She producing.
That's my government there, but I prefer Stoney. But ladies call me Jimmie, but it is Stoney.
It is Stone. You know what I mean? Yes. Hey, as always, episode 15, that's Will.
This Kahlil.
And this is Jimmie Stone Jordan. If you want your scalp cut down to the finest white meats, bring your cash apps, Bring your TikToks, bring your Bitcoins, bring whatever you got to trade for the cut.
Yeah, 'cause we do accept Bitcoin.
Shout out to the Tonsorial's Edge. That was the original name. You should have stuck with it.
A lot of folks don't know that, but
Hey.
that is a little fact.
Hey,
It's not known by a lot of folks.
I've been around. I've been here.
It was called Tonsorial's Edge, but when people ask me, what's the name of your place? And I would say it, they'd be like, Tonsor who?
Yeah, they don't know what a Tonsorial is.
I went ahead and switched it to my moniker, Stoney, and it's been nothing but shot to the moon ever since
right.
then.
That's knowledge and wisdom.
The street done blew up. Everybody's on Edgewood now, but Jimmie was the first here. I'm trying to tell you, man. I'm trying to tell you, we was here, we seen it. This is history. You are witnessing it. As always, another beautiful episode of Dropping Off Jackets. You can catch us next time. That's Will, and I am
SIXSENSE, baby.
Later. We love you guys. Peace.
I'm gonna put this in a box frame.
Cross through John and Randy Martin. You seen them brothers flossing. The black beam team with them TVs in it. Playing the game, filling corners on these lanes. Back in the day, me and Slims did the same. I don't even write songs, I grab the mic and spit game. I don't talk shit, I just tell it how it is. I was born on Sunset, so I bleed showbiz. Think I'm lying? The arsonist, Tony Hayes, cut his dreadlocks off and set the West Coast ablaze. The flame made all those look and stand amazed. Even me, I cut my fro, brush my hair, brought out the waves. The mist from Splash Mountain used to put the fire out. When 30,000 firemen failed to put the fire out. Reggie Miller, no thanks, but you can pull that fire out. Stop, drop, and roll up, hurry, put that fire out. If you want more fire, light up on ear, light up on ear, light up on ear. If you want more fire, light up on ear. In my left there's a blunt, in my right there's a beer. If you want more fire, light up on ear, light up on ear, light up on ear. If you want more fire, light up on ear. In my left there's a blunt, in my right there's a beer. It's my time. Chalice in my right hand, ratchet in my left one, blunt in my mouth, man. Catch me in MIA, sipping on gone. I can't hear my friend mention Kyle. Now I'm gone. I was only there for a few days. Back to the A-town where I stay. I get live, alright, get live. I just scored number 15 for 3. Sluggish in the board. I'm in the dark right seat with a freak. She don't speak, she's so sweet. My shirt reads, I am up here famous. She's a gold digger. I got money on the haters. Cholo polo shirts, 06 hats. Jimmie Jordan on the big hollaback. Martin Brothers promotions. Getting on my fat